Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the Tekla model is complete and saved. This reduces redraw errors later. Next, you open Drawings and choose Create Drawing, then pick General Arrangement. This is the only way we'll produce a compliant GA. Once chosen, set drawing name, scale, and the title block template. These control layout and annotation standards. Make sure to select correct phases and visibility filters so the generated GA reflects the intended construction stage, because the model drives the drawing content. Once the GA is created, you refine the views. Position the primary plan, add elevations or sections, and set cut depth so elements don't clip unexpectedly. Then, apply annotations. Use Tekla's automatic labels, section marks, welds, and bolt symbols, because they remain linked to model objects and update automatically. Make sure to lock scale and grid in drawing properties to preserve proportions when you later export. Also, edit dimension styles to match project standards so that measurements are readable and consistent. Finish by running a drawing check. Inspect for missing parts, annotation overlaps, and any clash indicators. Correcting the model first prevents repeated fixes. Then export the GA to DWG or PDF, selecting layer mapping and embedding fonts so external teams can read it. If something still looks wrong, elements missing, wrong scale, or blank views, update the model, delete the GA and recreate it, or reset view properties. Often regenerating the drawing clears corrupted view settings and restores the correct output. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind. Always fix the model first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.